Are you struggling with itchy scalp, weak hair strands, or breakage? Discover how this simple herbal tea rinse can refresh your scalp and revive your natural hair. Hey beautiful souls, I am Adele and welcome to my channel where we explore natural hair care the smart and simple way. Today I want to show you how to prepare this powerful 3-hair tea rinse using eucalyptus, rosemary and aloe vera leaves. It's perfect for boosting hair growth, soothing your scalp and refreshing your strands naturally. Let's talk about some key benefits of these 3 herbs for our scalp and hair. Eucalyptus. Because of its anti-lice and antimicrobial properties, eucalyptus is known to keep the scalp clean and free from head lice and dandruff-causing fungi. The cooling effect of eucalyptus helps reduce irritation and inflammation, thereby soothing an itchy scalp. Eucalyptus also enhances blood flow to the scalp, supporting healthy hair follicles. It's therefore great for oily, itchy, or dandruff-prone scalps. Because of its high potency, we use it sparingly to avoid dryness. Rosemary. Rosemary encourages blood circulation to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles and promoting healthy hair growth. Rosemary is known to block dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to hair loss. Rosemary nourishes hair from root to tip, making it more resistant to breakage and shedding and giving it a healthier appearance. Rosemary helps both dry and oily scalps by regulating sebum production. The antifungal and antibacterial properties of rosemary combat dandruff, itchiness, and flakiness, soothing irritation and promoting a clean and balanced scalp. Rosemary is therefore great for weak, thinning hair or slow growth. Rosemary is natural and gentle enough, but too much might feel a bit drying to our hair and scalp, so we balance its amount carefully. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is packed with nutrients that soothe dryness and flaking. Aloe vera reduces inflammation by calming irritation and itching. Aloe vera is rich in enzymes and vitamins that promote skin healing and cell regeneration. Aloe vera adds softness, slip, and shine to dry or brittle hair. That's why it's the base in our herbal tea. It's therefore great for dry, irritated scalps or damaged hair. By combining these herbs in the right proportions, you get a scalp treatment that encourages healthy hair growth, fights scalp irritation, and keeps your hair hydrated and shiny. If you try this herbal tea, let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. See you in the next one. Bye.